Hey YouTube, back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how much money I saved in 1 month by following all the steps that I showed before in previous videos. So if you haven't seen those and you're looking to save a little bit of additional money, check out my previous videos. There's some really good stuff there I think that can maybe help you. With that being said, let's get started. I ended up saving myself $20 on insurance. That was by changing over some of my insurance plans for my car. That one was a really easy one, and it was just kind of like an upgrade. And I've been working or been with the company for 5 years now, and they're like, "Oh yeah, we have this deal for you," because I went and I started comparing with other companies like Geico and other ones, and they were like, "Whoa, well, if you're thinking about doing another company, one of those kind of deals." And I saved myself quite a bit of money. Another one was luxury items and entertainment. It was $200 over the course on average on a month spending. I was spending about I think about $120 to $140 a month on alcohol alone. Yeah, you could say I had a little bit of a drinking problem, so that is completely nipped in the bud. I don't drink anymore. So that was $200 that I saved from just entertainment and drinking and spending my money on like frivolous stuff. Another one, well, that also includes video games. Another one was cell phone. I ended up changing my cell phone plan. I ended up dropping the data amount just a tiny bit. Ended up being like a total of 1 gig, and I ended up sending automated payments. So that ended up saving me about $40 a month. That was huge. Another one was the car. I refinanced my car. I went from a lease to actually owning out my car outright. That ended up being $10. And then shopping at Costco and other locations ended up saving me $120 on food. That was huge. The mortgage, I don't have a mortgage, so that didn't really save me anything. So, because I'm working to probably put myself further in debt, right? Everyone wants to own their own home. Electricity, I ended up plugging in some of my, unplugging some of my stuff, and just basically saving money by turning off the lights, and by ending up, wearing a sweatshirt instead of turning on the heater every time I got cold. Water, I don't pay for water because that's one thing I don't have to pay for where I rent. Garbage is another thing that I don't have to pay for where I rent. That's included in the rent, so that's a plus. This is the benefits of renting versus owning. Credit card, I gained $5. I did some Christmas shopping, and I get cash back. I was going to spend that money anyways, but credit card companies still make money off of you. But I paid off what I owed to the credit card company in full, so I ended up getting cash back. Student loans, I ended up paying a little extra this month, and that ended up saving me an extra $3.84 in interest, which is kind of cool. So with a grand total of just 1 month worth of savings, I ended up saving myself $408.84. Now that might not seem like a whole lot of money, but to me it was actually a ton of money. Just because I was breaking even every month, so now I'm gaining some money every month. So I said, well, what am I going to do with that? I'll be talking about that in the next video, but let's continue on a little bit. So if I had done that this whole year, this is how much I would have saved myself, which is $4,906.08. That's a lot of money that I think could have been going towards my retirement account, or it could have been going through changing my future, getting into my first home. I really wish I would have been a little bit more diligent about this at a younger age when I started doing it. If I would have started doing it right when I turned 21 and kind of my life started moving a little bit faster, I would have saved myself $39,248 over the course of 8 years. Whoo, that's quite a bit of money. That's just bare minimum. I could have saved myself more money by not buying a car. I could have saved myself a lot more money by paying off my student loan debt. So that's a lot of money that I could have saved over the course of 8 years. I'm curious to see how much money that you might have saved in your first month of watching this video, or maybe you can come back and do a post on how much you saved on your first month. Hopefully I saved you some money. I'm estimating that I probably saved an average person probably about 40 bucks a month on a minimum. And, 40 bucks a month. So, let's just do some calculations real quick. $40 times 12 will give you $480 a year that you would have saved by just following my steps. So that's pretty cool. $480 a year is a little bit more money in your pocket. It may not seem like much, but there's actually quite a few companies that you can invest in, starting out with almost $500. You can start your own investment brokerage account with $500, and that's only 20 bucks more. So there's some other stuff that you could do with that money, but we'll be talking about that in the next video. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Like if you liked the video, dislike if you disliked the video, and if you really like the video, please subscribe. Hope to see you guys again soon. Thank you very much and have a great week.